To book an appointment, go to etpccsf.setmore.com. On the right-hand side, you'll see contact info. This is the office phone, 415-452-5612. You'll also see our location, Rosenberg Library 228, and our business hours. To book an actual appointment, click on Tutoring Appointment. Take a look through and see if you can find the tutor that attends your class. Once you find your tutor, click on their photo, select a day, select a time, enter your first and last name, your email address, the best one that we can contact you at, your phone number if you want to receive a text message reminder, your instructor, and what you want to work on. You also need to agree to the cancellation policy. So no cancellation or rescheduling is permitted within 4 hours of the appointment time. If you need to cancel your appointment, you can do that via email, or alternatively, if it's within 4 hours, you could again call our phone number, 415-452-5612. Press continue and press book, and you're done. You will receive an email at the email that you provided. You will also, if you've provided your phone number, you will also receive a text message 24 hours before the start of your appointment.